Hello everyone, welcome back with LibreCAD basic tutorial how to add the text. To add text in LibreCAD software, you can use mtext command. You can click this icon, mtext, and will be show mtext dialog box. You can set text in it like I will set into example. Next, you can change for text height like I will set into 3. For alignment, we can set into center point, and you can also set for angle in it. If you done, you can click OK, and you can place text in a drawing. Click to create again. Okay, you can select it and text and change the names into LibreCAD. I will change height into 10. For alignment center point and angle, I will set into 45 degree. Click OK, and then you can click at this point. Press escape button to close. Okay, that's it, how to add text in a LibreCAD software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.